Hello again, dear scholars. This is another video lesson on the topic angle pairs. For this lesson, you should be able to classify and apply various types of angle pairs in solving problems. So let's first define ano nga ba ang angle pair. So an angle pair consists of two angles that have a special relationship. Siyempre, pag sinabi nating pair, dalawa yan, no? And yung dalawang yon may relationship dapat. So, there are 5 angle pairs na pag-uusapan natin in this topic. Adjacent angles, complementary angles, supplementary angles, linear pairs, and vertical angles. So, let's start with the first type, the adjacent angles. So, adjacent meaning magkatabi. Okay? So, these angles have the same vertex. They share one common side and do not overlap. Okay? So, here, there are two angles. Angle MLN. Okay? So, ito yon. This is angle MLN. The vertex is point L. Okay? And you also have angle OLN. Ito naman yun. OLN or pwede ring NLO. No? So, ito yung angle na yun. So, the vertex is point L. So, as you can see, they have the same vertex. So, if they have the same vertex and share one common side. So, nasaan yung common side? So, that is side LN. So, this is the common side. No? And therefore, MLN, angle MLN, and angle OLN are adjacent angles. So let's have some concept check. True or false? Adjacent angles have a common vertex. This is true. Adjacent angles share one common side. This is also true. Adjacent angles are positioned next to each other. Yes, that is true. Two overlapping angles are adjacent. This is false, no? So, bawal mag-overlap ang adjacent angles. Adjacent angles always have equal measures. So, this is false. So, hindi kailangan or it is not necessary that the two adjacent angles have equal measurements. Okay. Let's proceed to complementary angles. So when we say complementary, if you get the sum of the two angles, then the measure must be 90 degrees. Walang labis, walang kulang. So for example, in figure 4, 60 degrees plus 30 degrees equal 90 degrees. No? So kapag pinagsama mo yan, if you combine them, if you place them next to each other and form adjacent angles, then you can form one right angle. Okay, so such as in figure 3. So angle XAY and angle YAZ. So they are adjacent angles. Kasi magkatabi sila, they share common vertex, vertex A, and they share a common side, side AY. So, adjacent sila, but at the same time, since they form a right angle, so adjacent and complementary. Okay? So, pwedeng dalawa ang classification natin ng angle pairs. Supplementary angles. So, if their sum measures 180 degrees, then supplementary angles. So, 160 plus 1 plus 20, that is 180 degrees. So, kapag pinagsama mo naman, if ginawa mong adjacent angles, yung dalawang to, then we can form a straight angle. Ano yung ibig sabihin ng straight angle? That is just a straight line, no? So, straight angle is a straight line. The measurement is 180 degrees. So, here, angle JHK and angle JHI are adjacent. Bakit sila adjacent? Common vertex, vertex H. Common side, side JH. No? Adjacent, and at the same time, they are supplementary. Because if you get the sum, 80 plus 100, 180 degrees. So here are the differences between complementary and supplementary. So complementary, 90 degrees, forming right angle, may or may not be adjacent. So take note, no? So hindi always adjacent. So pwedeng adjacent, pwedeng hindi. So kapag pinaghiwalay mo, non-adjacent na sila. Supplementary, sum is 180. Straight angle ang mafo-form, and may or may not be adjacent as well. So I hope that's clear. So linear pair, ano naman ito? So linear pair consists of two adjacent angles whose non-common sides form a straight line. So magiging linear pair ang isang angle pair if adjacent siya and at the same time supplementary. So if you satisfy these two, adjacent siya, supplementary siya, then linear pair ang dalawang angles na yan. So every linear pair is supplementary, but not every pair of supplementary angles is a linear pair. So take note of this statement, baka lalabas sa exam, true or false. And last but not the least, vertical angles. So vertical angles are opposite angles formed when two lines intersect. So same yung vertex, parang yung adjacent angles kanina, no? They are opposite with each other, but ano yung pinagkaiba ng adjacent at vertical? Sa vertical, they do not share a side. Okay, sa adjacent kanina, they share a side. So they have equal measures as well. So here in the diagram, angle A and angle C are vertical angles. Angle D and angle B are vertical angles as well. Okay, how about angle A and angle B dito sa diagram na to? So angle A and angle B are adjacent kasi magkatabi sila. Meron silang common side. So ito yung common side, no, na sinasabi ko. And since they form a straight line, then angle A and angle B are also supplementary. So if adjacent and supplementary, then angle A and angle B are linear pair. Okay? So concept check. You can pause this video to have more time. Let's answer items 1 to 6. Classify each angle pairs, angle A and angle B, as adjacent, complementary, supplementary, linear pair, or vertical. So each item may have more than one possible answer. Sige, let's check, no? Angle A and angle B in number 1, magkatabi sila. They share a common vertex. They share a common side. So, adjacent. Okay, what else? Yun lang, no? Hindi naman tayo naka-form ng right angle. Hindi rin naman tayo naka-form ng straight line. So, number 1 is adjacent only. Number 2, this is angle A and this is angle B. So, they are not adjacent. Hindi sila magkatabi, walang common side. But if you look at it, itong angle na to is 90 degrees, no? So since 90 degrees yan, so angle A plus 90 degrees plus angle B So you can form a straight line, so that's 180 degrees. So A plus B is therefore equal to 90 degrees. So complementary. Number 3, angle A and angle B adjacent, supplementary. So if both adjacent and supplementary, then we can form a linear pair. Number 4, adjacent. So forming a right angle, so that is complementary. Number 5, magka-opposite si angle A at angle B, so that is vertical. Number 6, magkatabi ulit, they share a common side, adjacent. So here, another practice exercise. You can pause the video to solve the problems on your own. So let's solve number 1 and number 2. So what is the value of x? So we know that this angle is 93 degrees and this angle is 3x plus 18. So if we combine them, if we add them, ang mapo-form natin ay isang straight line. So ibig sabihin, these two angles are linear pair. Adjacent sila and supplementary. So equation 3x plus 18, that's the first angle, plus 93 is equal to 180 degrees. So 3x plus ilan to? 111 is equal to 180. So 3x is equal to 180 minus 111. So that is how many? Ilan yan? So 969. Okay, so x is equal to 69 divided by 3, that is 23. So x is 23. And number 2, so we know that this angle plus this angle, they form a right angle. So 6x plus 2 plus 40 is equal to 90 degrees. So 6x plus 42 is equal to 90 degrees. 6x is equal to ilan yan? 848. So x is equal to 8. So when solving problems like this, you should be able to correctly classify the angle pair so that alam natin yung tamang equation. So that is the end of this topic. Thank you for listening.